Hi, Yusuf. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you? Hi, Ahmed. Hi, Jawad. Hi, Abdullah.
هاي
How are you?
تيتشر وينك مش شايفينك؟
كيف مش شايفني؟ هيني شو قاعد هذا طالع هيك؟
لا طالع اسود بس.
جد؟
اه
لا صوتي طالعة. Everyone you
عم
see?
طالع اسود يا استاذ، احنا مو شايفين صورته.
Really?
يا
It's okay.
والله هيك بصير لي اوس ونتلي. إيه بيجي اوس كاميرته اسود ونتلي لا. بيجي
Okay.
اوس يحط صورة
Good
نتلي.
morning, teacher.
Good morning, everyone. How are you?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, teacher.
Who's this one with Z? Who's this one? Z. Who are you? Who are you?
أستاذ هذا من صف رابع.
لا حدا يحكي. لا حدا يحكي. خلص اسكتوا. Who are you, please?
You just unmuted me.
I'm gonna change my name.
Who are you?
سالي.
لا حدا يحكي. Who are you?
Teacher, I'm Sally.
Sally, go and change your name, okay? What is that name?
Sorry.
Okay. You are so annoying. Don't speak like that anymore, okay? Don't speak unless I allow you to speak. You're making so noise. Okay. Now, good morning, everyone. How are you? Okay. So, wait, Ahmed. Wait, everyone. Wait. At first, the last time we were talking about the division and we talked too much about the long division and how we do it. Okay, so we're done with that now. So we will move to the next topic, but we will skip topic number 6. Okay, we will skip topic number 6. We won't take it. So we will go to topic 7. Okay, topic 7, page 261. Okay, so we are going to page 261 with a new topic. This topic is talking about what factors, okay? So it's named factors and multiples, okay? So we are now in topic number 7, which is factors and multiples. Page 261, page 261, okay? We skip topic 6, okay, and go to topic number 7, which is factors and multiples. The first lesson is understand factors. Page 261 is about understand factors. So we have solve and share. Now let's talk about what is the factors. What is the factors? Now I will give you example for that. Now, if I told you in exam something like that, okay? So, what is the factors of 6? Okay. Now, what is that means? That means give me two numbers, their multiplication is 6, okay? So when I ask you what is the factors of 6, factors means what? Means two numbers, their multiplication equals 6. So, for example here, I can say that 6 equals what? 1 times 6, right? So 1 times 6 equals 6. Now, Now, the 1 and the 6 are factors of 6. So, the factors of 6 is what? 1 times 6. Now, the 1 and 6 called what? Factors pairs. Okay? Factor pairs. Now, another one. Another one can tell me that the factor of 6 like 2 times 3. Right? So, the 2 and the 3 are factors of 6. So what is the factors? Factors, two numbers, their multiplication equals 6. So the 1 is a factor for 6, the 6 is a factor for 6, the 2 is a factor for 6, and 3 is a factor of 6. That's it. Two numbers, their multiplication equals 6. Another example. Now, what is the factor of 9? Now, I want two numbers, their multiplication equals 9. Okay? So at first, I know that 1 times 9 equals 9. So the 1 and the 9 are factors of 9. Okay? And I know that also that 3 times 3 are also factors of, are also equals 9. So 3 and the 3 are factors of 9. So that's the factors. When I ask you what is the factors of a number, you start looking for two numbers, their multiplication equals what? That number. Okay? Do you understand this, everyone? Do you understand this? Let's take more examples to make it clear. Okay, now who have a question? Who have a question? Anyone? Do you have a question? Okay, great. Now, let's see another examples. So, let's see what is factors of 12. And now in the next page, page 262, what is factors of 12? Now, what we're looking for? We're looking for two numbers, their multiplication equals 12. Now, who can give me two numbers, their multiplication equals 12? Yes, Sianthony.
Okay, the first one is 1 times 12.
Excellent. Wait, so the first factors is what? Is 1, sorry. Wait, Anthony. It's 1 times 12. Excellent. Now, the 1 and the 12, call them what? Factor pairs. Factor pairs. Okay? Now, the 1 is a factor for the 12, and the 12 also it's a factor for 12, right? Now, give me another two numbers, their multiplication equals 12.
The second one is 3 times 4.
Excellent. So, we have 3 times 4. So, the 3 is a factor of the 12, and 4 is a factor of 12. Okay? Can you give me another one?
2 times 6.
Excellent. Now, 2 times 6 also equals 12. So the 2 is a factor of 12. And the 6 also is a factor of a 12. So all these numbers are the factors of 12. So 1 is the factor of a 12. 12 also a factor of 12. 3 is a factor of 12. And 4 also is a factor of 12. And 2 and 6 also are factors for the 12. Okay? So that's the factor. There are two numbers. The multiplication give me what? Give me my number. Okay? Do you understand this, everyone?
Yes, it's so easy, like a piece of cake.
Yes, it's so easy. Thank you, Anthony. Any question about that? Yes, Ya Omar.
So teacher, you just
find the multiplication tables that equals whatever that number is.
Yeah, that's it. I'll give you a number and I will ask you about the factors of a number. You just start looking for two numbers, their multiplication equals to that number. That's it. Okay?
Just start with the one and then we get with the multiplication tables.
What?
Can you hear me?
Yeah?
So it's basically like we just start with the one and then we go into other multiplication tables that equals.
Yeah. Always one times the same number are both of them are factors. Yeah. Okay?
It's easy.
Yeah, it's so easy. Another question, yes, Jawad?
Teacher, which page?
Now we are on page 262. We done that. Natalie done that. Okay? So we move now to page 263. Now we are on page 263. We moved to page 263, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Question? Yes, Ahmed, do you have a question?
أستاذ اسمعني اطلع برا وارجع عشان احنا مش شايفينك.
Why you want to see me? It's okay. It's okay. Is it important to see me? Let me find out that. Wait. Let me see that. Okay, now do you see me? I don't know what's their problem. It's not important. It's not important. Okay. Yes, Abdullah, do you have a question?
No, but I said not important.
Okay, thank you. So, a question, Khalid?
Teacher,
Yeah?
teacher, you solved page 262.
Yes.
No, you don't solve it. I don't write it with you.
It's already written. It's already written and Natalie done that, okay? Now we will move to page 263 and you need to write after me, okay? You need to write after me. Now, in page 263, number 3, find all the factor pairs for each number, okay? Find all the factor pairs for each number. I will do the first one and then I will give you a time to do that. Okay, so let's see what we have. Now, in number 6, in number 3, we have this. We have the number 6 and we want to find all the factor pairs of this one right after me, okay? So the first one is 1 times 6. So the 1 and the 6 are factor pairs of 6. Okay? Now, another one is 2 times 3. So also the 2 and 3 are factor pairs of 6. Now, what we call 2, we call it a factor of 6. What we call 3, we call it a factor of the 6. What we call the 6, it's a factor for the 6. And what we call the 1, it's also a factor of 6. So these are all the factors of the number 6. Okay? Do you understand this? We just find out what is the number that multiplication equals 6. That's it. It's so easy, right? Okay, now let's go to the list and start solving. Yalla. Let's start with, let's see who we have now. Aus. Where are you, Aus? Is Aus here? Where are you, Aus? Aus not here. Now, Muhammad Nasser? Yeah, Aus is here. Okay. Sorry, I didn't see you. Yes, Aus? Good morning. Aus, let's do number 4. We have the number 16. Okay? Now, I want to find the factors of 16. Okay, now give me any two numbers, their multiplication equals 16.
8 multiply 2.
Excellent. The first one, I will start with 1 times 16, okay? Now, you give me another one, which is 8 times 2, right? 2 times 8, or 8 times 2, it's the same, right?
Yeah, and 4.
Huh?
4 times 4.
Excellent. And we also have 4 times 4. Excellent. So these things are the factors of 16. 1 times 16, 2 times 8, and 4 times 4. So the 16 is a factor of 16. The 4 is a factor of 16. The 8 is a factor of 16. The 2 is also a factor of 16, right? Excellent, Aus. Thank you. Now, with Muhammad Nasser. Where are you, Muhammad? Here you are. Yalla. Let's do number 5.
5 times 9 equal 45.
Okay, at first we have 1 times 45, right?
Yes.
The first one. Now you give me another one, which is what? 4 times 9, right?
Teacher,
Yeah?
5.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, it's 5 times 9. Thank you, Muhammad. Okay, it's 5 times 9. Okay, that's it, right? We just have these two numbers, their multiplication equals 45, right?
Right.
Thank you. So the 5 is a factor, we call it a factor of 45. The 9 is a factor of 45. Do you understand that, everyone? Now with Khalid. Where are you, Khalid? وينك يا هاي خالد؟ Khalid?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Now, did you write this, everyone? I will erase it now. So number 6, we have 30. In number 6, we have what? We have 30. Now, Khalid, give me any two numbers, their multiplication equals 30.
Number what?
I need you to give me any two numbers, their multiplication equals 30. So the first one is 1 times 30, right?
Yeah.
Now you give me.
Same number.
I want you to give me two numbers, their multiplication equals 30.
Okay. 6 times 5.
Excellent. So 6 times 5. So 6 times 5 equals what? 30.
Yeah.
Another one. Who can give me another one? Yes, yeah, Muhammad.
10 times 3.
Excellent. So also 10 times 3 equals 30. Okay, now who can give me another one? Yes, yeah, Yusuf. There is another one. I have one else for it. Who can think about that? Two numbers, their multiplication equals 30. Okay, because this is the first time for you, I will help you with that. Now look, what about 2 times 15? That also equals 30, right? Right? Hello? Okay, Amor, okay, I see that. So, All of these numbers are what? Are factors of 30. So the 30 is a factor for 30. The 6 is a factor for 30. 5 also, 10 and 3 and 2 and 15. All of these numbers are called what? Factors for 30. Okay? Do you have a problem with that? Now, Abdurrahman, Jamal. Abdurrahman Fadl. Is Abdurrahman here? Abdurrahman not here. Now, Abdurrahman Marafi also not here. Now, Abdullah.
السلام عليكم أستاذ.
Alaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. Let's do Abdullah number 7, which is 9. Now, in number 7, my number is 9.
Okay.
Now, give me two numbers, their multiplication equals 9.
Okay. 9 times
1.
9 times 9 times 1, 9.
Yes, equals 9. And give me another one.
9 times 2, 16.
No, I want two numbers. Their multiplication equals 9.
Yeah, okay. 3 times 3.
Excellent. 3 times 3. So 3 times 3. And that's it. Now, these numbers are factors of 9. So 1 is a factor of the 9. 9 is a factor of the 9. 3 is a factor of 9. And 3 also is a factor of 9. Thank you, Abdullah.
Yeah. Welcome.
Now, after Abdullah, we have Ahmed Shadi. Where are you, Ahmed? وينك يا أحمد؟ وين أحمد؟ وين راح أحمد؟ هيا.
Yes, Dad.
Hi, Ahmed. Let's do number 8. In number 8, what we have? We have 14, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Give me two numbers, their multiplication equals 14. Always start with 1 times the number.
1 times 14 become 14.
Yes. And another
2
one.
times 7
Yes.
become 14.
Excellent. So 1 times 14 and 2 times 7 are factors pair for 14. Excellent. Thank you.
But so easy. All
Yes,
of
it's so
time.
easy. It's so easy, yeah. So now let's see. Muhammad. Where are you, Muhammad? This is Muhammad. Muhammad, in number 9, we have 5. Give me two numbers, their multiplication equals 5.
1 times 5.
Excellent. 1 times 5 equals 5. We don't have another thing. It's just 1 times 5. We don't have another two numbers, their multiplication equals 5. Okay? So the factors of the 5 is just 1 and 5. That's it. Okay? If you try to think of two numbers, their multiplication equals 5, you won't find that. Okay? So the factors of the 5, it's 1 and the 5 itself. That's it. Okay? Okay, everyone, do you understand this? Okay, now with Umar.
Hello.
Umar, let's do number 10, which is 25. Wait, number 10. We have 25.
Okay. Also, teacher, I don't know how I'm gonna solve number 7 and number 8.
What?
I also don't know how to solve number 9 and number 14.
We did that. Now, number 9, the first factor is 1 times 9, right?
Well, I know that, but where do I write it?
Oh, okay, because you have these squares. Write it beside it. Okay? We don't need these squares.
Okay.
Just write it beside it. Okay? Okay, let's do number 10, ya Omar. We have what? We have 25. Give me two numbers. Their multiplication equals 25.
25 times 1,
Yeah?
5 times 5,
Yeah?
and
That's it.
Yeah.
You won't find anything else, okay? Okay, so that's the factors of 25. It's 1 and 25 and the 5. So these are the factors of 25. Thank you, Omar. Now, after Omar, we have, this is Omar. We have Jawad. Where are you, Jawad? This is Jawad. Jawad, let's do number 11. We have 8. This is 11.
11. 1 times 8 and 4 times 2.
This is, yeah, so 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. Yes, that's it.
And 36, 6 times 6.
We don't want 36. Don't cheat like
No.
that. Just you do number 8. Okay? So the factors of the 8 is 1 and 8. Also, we have 2 and 4. So I will ask you something here before we complete. Do you notice something about the factors? We have something with all the factors. What is it? Yes, yeah, Aram. Tell me, what do you notice about that?
That like 8 times 1, 6 times 1. All of it first 3 times.
Excellent, excellent. Yes, excellent. Yeah, so with any number, always the number 1 and the number itself is a factors for that number. With any number, okay? So let's say about like we have like 100, okay? Now, always the 1 and the 100 is factors for the 100. Let's say like we have 93. Always 1 and 93 are factors for the 93. So always the number 1 and the number itself are factors for that number. Okay? Do you see that? Do you see that, everyone? Okay, let's go on. Now, after Jawad, we have Abdurrahman Jaradat. Abdurrahman Jaradat.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Abdurrahman. How are you?
Fine, thank you, and you?
I'm fine, thanks. Let's do number 12.
Okay.
We have 36.
Yeah. 1 multiply 36.
Yes, because always the number 1 is a factor for any number, and the number itself is a factor for that number, right?
Yes.
Yes.
And
Other two
6,
numbers?
6 multiply 6.
Okay, wait. 6 times 6 also are factors for the 36.
Okay. And 4 multiply 9.
Yes, excellent. 4 times 9 also factors for the 36.
And
There is one another one. There's another one.
12 multiply 3.
That's excellent. So 3 times 12. Can you give me another one? I will help you with that. 2 times 18.
2 times 18.
Yeah. Now, how do I know these things? How do I know these things? How can I remember all of that? I will tell you later. We will take a lesson so you can know any factor for any number. But today we are just want to understand what is the factor. Okay? So that's it. Thank you, Abdurrahman.
You're welcome.
Now, after Abdurrahman, we have Yusuf. Where are you, Yusuf? وينك يا يوسف؟ يوسف. And this is Yusuf. Okay.
Yes.
Yusuf, let's see number 13. We have 23. Give me two numbers, their multiplication equals 23.
1 times 23.
Yeah.
And
Look, I will help you with that. That's it. We don't have any two numbers, their multiplication will be equals to 23.
there's only 24, not 23.
Yes, 24 something else. Now, for 23, we don't have anything. Just 1 times 23, that's it. Okay?
Okay.
Now, this number, later we will call it something. We will call it a prime number. Okay? We will talk about that later. Now, when we have a number, its factor just the one and itself, we will call it what? A prime number. Prime number. Okay? We will talk about that later. Okay? So now, with number 14, with Aram. Number 14 with Aram.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Aram, tell me, what about 27?
3 times 9 and 1 times 27
Okay, this is the first one. 1 times 27. Yeah.
and 3 times 9.
And 3 times 9. And that's it. There's no other things for that. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, Aram.
Welcome.
Now with Lana. Where are you, Lana? This is Lana. Lana? Lana? Yeah, Lana.
Yes.
Let's do this one. So the numbers that in the book are done. So I will give you one from my own, okay?
Okay.
Now, what about 15? Can you give me the factors of 15?
5 times 3.
Yeah, at first we always start with the same number. So 1 times 5.
1 times 15 equals 58.
Yes, 3. And 3 times 5. Right?
3 times 5 equals.
Yeah, excellent. Thank you. Now, after Lana, we have Ayas Madi. Ayas Madi, is Aya here? Aya is not here. Sally? Where are you, Sally? Sally, ya Sally. وين راح سالي؟ أيها ما أنا مش شايفك.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Sally. How are you? Now, Sally, what about this one, 18? Give me the factor pairs of 18, yeah?
1 times 18
Excellent.
and 9 times 2.
Yes, and 2 times 9. Can you give me another one?
I don't know.
We have like 3 times 6, right?
Forgot.
Thank you. Excellent. We skipped one. We skipped Hadia. I'm sorry. Where are you, Hadia? Hadia, وين؟ Hadia, what about like let's take 28. 28, yeah, Hadia.
1 times 28 equals
Yes,
28.
that's the first one. 1 times 28 equals 28.
And
Another one,
4 times 7.
4 times 7 also equals 28. Another one, there is another one. I will help you with that. It's 2 times 14. 2 times 14. You see that?
Yes.
Excellent. Excellent. Now, how I can know that, I will tell you later, okay? It's so easy way, but for now, we just need to know how we find the factors, okay? Later, I will tell you a trick to do that, okay? Now, after
Okay.
here, we have Furat. This is Furat. Furat? Yeah, Furat.
What teacher?
Give me two numbers, their multiplication equals 32.
1 times 32.
Yes, excellent. So the first one always will be the one and the number itself. So 1 times 32.
No, 15.
Huh? What, Sally? Sorry, what, Farad?
Wait.
Farad, I can't hear you.
Teacher.
Yeah? Think about two numbers, their multiplication equals 32. What about 4 times 8? Equals 32, right, Farad? So it's 4 times 8. That equals 42. I will put here another one. It's what? It's 2 times 16. That also will be equals to 32. Okay? Okay, everyone?
Okay.
Thank you. Now, the last one with Natalie. Natalie. Now,
I solved the first one.
do it again.
Okay.
So, Natalie, let me give you something like this one.
If it's hard, that's okay. What?
35.
1 times 35.
Yeah, that's the easy one.
Wait, let me see.
Huh?
Wait, let me see.
Now,
Can I ask you first, what's 7 times 15?
7 times what?
15. What's the answer?
Why you want that?
I'm just thinking, maybe it is.
I need two numbers, their multiplication 35.
Okay, 35.
35.
I remember something.
It's 7 times 5.
What? I was going to
7.
say something about 7, I know. 7 and 5.
5 times 7 equals 35, right?
Yeah.
So it's 5 times 7.
That's why I was thinking of the 16 by accident.
Yeah, that's it. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so that's it. The factors, when I do factors, I'm doing like I want to find two numbers, the multiplication equals to that number. Let's see, Muhammad.
Teacher,
Yes?
2 times 18 don't make 63. 36.
What? No,
2
2 times
times
18 equals 36.
8, 80.
Yes. Yeah. Do you have any question about that, everyone? So, do you understand now what is the factors? So, when I tell you a factor, that means what? That means two numbers, the multiplication equals my number, right? So that we call it what? A factor. So, when I ask you something like, is 2 a factor for 6? Let me ask you this question now. Is 2 is a factor of 6? Who can answer me? Who can answer me? Yes, yeah, Omar.
Yes, it is.
Why?
3 times 2 equals 6.
Excellent. Because I can find the number. When I multiply by it, I will get 6, right?
Yeah.
Another one. Is 3 a factor for 9? Yeah, Muhammad.
Teacher,
Yeah.
and 35 هاي 2 times 19 equal 34 قصدي 35.
No, 2 times 19 doesn't equals 35. Try it. Okay? Now tell me, is 3 a factor for 9?
Yes,
Why?
because 3 times 3 equal 9.
Excellent. Hadia, tell me, is 4 a factor of 12?
Yes,
Why?
because 4 times 3 equals.
Perfect. Now, tell me, yeah, Aus, tell me, is 2 factor of 8? Hi, Aus? Aus, can you hear me? Okay, maybe there's a problem here. Ahmed, tell me, is 2 a factor of 8?
What?
Is 2 a factor for 8?
Yeah,
Why?
because 2 times 8 becomes 16.
No, don't think about it like this. Now, 2 is a factor for 8 because I can find another number to multiply with 2 so I can find 8. So the answer will be yes. Why? Because 2 times 4 equals 8. You understand?
Yeah.
Another example, is 5 a factor for 15? Huh? Is 5 a factor for 15? Ahmed?
What?
Is 5 a factor for 15?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we factor of the 5 and
Yes, excellent, because 5 times 3 equals 15. Yeah, thank you. Another one. Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, tell me. Is 6 factor for 36?
Yes,
Why?
because 6 multiply 6 is 36.
Excellent. Now, what about like, is 10 factor for 90?
Yes,
Why?
because 9 multiplied 10 equals 90.
Excellent. Thank you. Now, another one. House, you fixed your problem now? House?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. House, tell me. Now, is 2 a factor for 10?
2, no,
Why?
because 2 do not reach 10.
No, it's not that the problem, yeah, House. Now, when I ask you this question, you start to think, can I find a number to multiply with 2 so I can get 10?
Yes.
What that number?
5.
Yeah, so the 2 is factor for 10. You understand? Another example. Now, is 3 is a factor for 12?
Yes,
Why?
because 4 times 3.
Yeah, that's it. Because I can't find number to multiply with 3, so I will get 12. You understand now?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now, do you have a question? Who have a question? Yes, yeah, Ahmed. Wait, Amr, I will see you.
Teacher, the class is over.
Ah, okay. Sorry. I didn't. Is it over really? Yeah, it has 2 minutes. It's finished before 2 minutes. But wait, we are enjoying now. Okay. So, yes, Yamar. Yes, Yamar. Open your mic.
He already said what I was gonna say.
Yeah, okay. So if that's it, yalla. Have a good day and see you inshallah tomorrow. Okay? Bye everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.